This is John with WTI. And lately I've been having a little bit of struggle to get out of the house that much and drinking the amount of water that I should per day. So I was thinking I should get a bottle of water, but not just a small one. So this is where the 64-ounce water bottle comes into place. So one of the things that I like the most is how well this is built. This is built like a tank. I'm a clumsy person, so sometimes I let things fall a little bit. So I wanted to have a bottle of water that would go as my commute for the whole day. So this guy here has 3 different handles that are just so convenient depending on what you wanted to do. So I take this to the gym whenever I'm doing sports, like I was playing basketball on Friday, and I didn't want to go out the court. So I took this guy in, full of water, did it the whole day perfect. It holds heat into a good amount of time, around 12 hours, and cold beverages around 24 hours. So it really does the job. So as I'm always drinking water in normal temperature, I don't care too much if it holds for too much, but overall for me, this has done a great job. So this is John with WTI, and that was my point of view.